Bosch also offers a line of premium oil filters that are a significant step above our standard workshop options. These filters are specifically designed to provide enhanced engine protection. This filter offers 99% efficiency in trapping large and small particles, safeguarding your engine.
This filter contains a metal, spiral-wound center tube which reinforces internal strength for durability, high-quality metal end caps to block contaminants from entering your engine, a premium silicone anti-drainback valve that protects against dry starts, a coil spring relief valve for proper oil flow throughout your engine, premium media responsible for 99% filtration efficiency, and a long-lasting nitrile sealing gasket that is internally lubricated so it won't dry out.
Its advanced media can hold up to 14 grams of dirt and particles, providing top-notch engine protection for users of conventional, semi-synthetic, and synthetic motor oils.